Imagine coming home after a long day, craving crispy fries or a perfectly roasted chicken, but dreading the wait for your traditional oven to preheat and the kitchen to heat up. Enter the Breville Air Fryer, a countertop marvel promising speed, versatility, and healthier cooking. But how does it truly compare to the classic oven that's been a kitchen staple for generations? In this comparison, we'll explore the strengths and weaknesses of each appliance, helping you decide which one deserves a spot in your kitchen. Cooking functions. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is a multi-talented appliance, boasting up to 13 preset functions, including air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, pizza, proof, dehydrate, slow cook, reheat, warm, cookies, and bagel. This wide array of options means you can prepare everything from crispy chicken wings to homemade yogurt with just the touch of a button. Traditional ovens, while versatile in their own right, typically offer basic functions like bake, broil, and roast. Some modern ovens include convection settings, but they rarely match the specialized presets found in the Breville Air Fryer. For those who enjoy experimenting with different cooking techniques, the Breville provides a level of convenience and variety that a standard oven simply can't match. Air frying capability. One of the standout features of the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is its dedicated air fry mode. Using a powerful convection fan, it circulates hot air rapidly to mimic the crispiness of deep-fried foods with far less oil. This makes it a healthier alternative for those who love fried foods but want to cut down on fat and calories. Traditional ovens, unless equipped with a special air fry accessory or convection feature, struggle to replicate the same level of crispiness and efficiency. Even with convection, the results are often less satisfying compared to what the Breville can achieve. If air frying is a priority for you, the Breville Air Fryer clearly has the edge. Size and capacity. When it comes to size and capacity, the differences are significant. The Breville Air Fryer is designed to sit comfortably on your countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or as a secondary appliance. The Air Fryer Pro model can accommodate up to 9 slices of bread or a 14-pound turkey, offering surprising capacity for its compact footprint. Traditional ovens, on the other hand, are built-in or freestanding units with much larger interiors. They easily handle multiple trays and large roasts, making them better suited for big families or those who entertain often. While the Breville is perfect for everyday meals and small gatherings, a traditional oven still reigns supreme for large-scale cooking and baking. Preheat time. Speed is one of the Breville Air Fryer's greatest advantages. Thanks to its smaller cavity and powerful heating elements, it preheats much faster than a traditional oven, often in just a few minutes. This means you can start cooking almost immediately, saving valuable time on busy weeknight. Traditional ovens, with their larger interiors, require more time to reach the desired temperature, which can be a drawback when you're in a hurry. For those who value efficiency and quick meal preparation, the Breville Air Fryer is a clear winner. Versatility. Versatility is where the Breville Air Fryer truly shines. Not only does it handle air frying with ease, but it also replaces several other appliances in your kitchen, including a toaster, dehydrator, slow cooker, and even a proofing box for bread. Its multiple preset functions and adjustable settings make it suitable for a wide range of recipes and cooking styles. Traditional ovens are versatile in their own right, especially for baking and roasting, but they lack the specialized features and convenience of the Breville. If you're looking to maximize your kitchen's functionality without cluttering your countertops, the Breville Air Fryer is a smart choice. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is an important consideration, especially for those looking to reduce their utility bills. The Breville Air Fryer uses up to 35% less power than a built-in oven, thanks to its compact size and efficient heating system. This not only saves energy, but also helps keep your kitchen cooler, particularly during the hot summer month. Traditional ovens, due to their larger size, consume more electricity and can significantly increase your energy costs over time. For eco-conscious cooks or anyone looking to save on energy, the Breville offers a more sustainable solution. Convection Technology. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer features advanced Element IQ technology and a dual-speed convection fan, ensuring faster and more even cooking. This technology allows for precise temperature control and optimal heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked meals every time. While many modern ovens also include convection settings, the airflow in the Breville is more concentrated and efficient, particularly for air frying and baking. Traditional ovens may not always deliver the same consistency, especially if they lack a true convection feature. If precision and reliability are important to you, the Breville's convection technology is a major advantage. Ease of use. User-friendliness is a hallmark of the Breville Air Fryer. It features an intuitive LCD display, one-touch presets, an interior light, and even guided recipes through the Breville Plus app. These features make it easy for both beginners and experienced cooks to achieve great results with minimal effort. Traditional ovens typically offer manual controls, such as knobs or basic digital panels, with fewer presets and less guidance. While seasoned bakers may appreciate the simplicity of a classic oven, those who prefer convenience and smart features will find the Breville much more accessible. Cleaning. Cleaning up after cooking can be a chore, but the Breville Air Fryer makes it relatively painless. Its removable trays and baskets are easy to wash, though the air fry basket may require a bit of extra scrubbing by hand. The smaller size also means less surface area to clean overall. Traditional ovens, with their larger cavities and multiple racks, can be more challenging to maintain. Spills and splatters are harder to reach, and deep cleaning can be time-consuming. For those who dread cleanup, the Breville's design offers a more manageable solution. Counter space. Space is at a premium in many kitchens, and the Breville Air Fryer is designed with this in mind. Its compact footprint allows it to sit on the countertop without dominating your workspace, making it perfect for apartments, dorms, or as a secondary appliance in larger kitchens. Traditional ovens, by contrast, require built-in installation or significant floor space, limiting their flexibility and portability. If you need an appliance that fits seamlessly into a small or crowded kitchen, the Breville is a practical option. Cost. Price is always a consideration when choosing kitchen appliances. The Breville Air Fryer and Air Fryer Pro models typically range from $350 to $400, offering a premium experience with multiple functions in one device. Traditional ovens vary widely in price, but built-in models are a major investment, often costing several times more than a countertop appliance. For those on a budget or looking to get the most value for their money, the Breville provides a compelling balance of performance and affordability. Performance. When it comes to day-to-day performance, the Breville Air Fryer stands out for its speed, versatility, and ability to deliver crispy, delicious results with minimal oil. It's ideal for quick meals, snacks, and even baking small batches of cookies or bread. However, for large-scale cooking, such as preparing holiday feasts, baking multiple trays of cookies, or roasting large cuts of meat, a traditional oven's capacity and power are unmatched. The best choice depends on your cooking habits and the size of your household. Air fry results. The Breville's air fry function is highly effective, producing golden, crispy foods that rival those from deep fryers, but with significantly less oil. While some basket-style air fryers may achieve slightly crispier results for certain foods, the Breville's versatility and larger capacity make it a strong contender. Traditional ovens, even with convection, often fall short in replicating the same texture and crunch, making the Breville a better option for air-fried favorite. Special features. The Breville Air Fryer Pro goes beyond basic cooking functions, adding proofing and dehydrating capabilities. This makes it an excellent choice for bakers who want a proof dough, or for anyone interested in making homemade snacks like dried fruit or jerky. Traditional ovens rarely offer these specialized features, requiring additional appliances or manual workarounds. If you enjoy exploring new culinary techniques, the Breville's extra functions add significant value. So what's your thought? Choosing between the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer and a traditional oven comes down to your cooking needs, kitchen space, and lifestyle. The Breville excels in versatility, speed, energy efficiency, and convenience, making it perfect for small households, busy professionals, and anyone seeking healthier cooking options. Traditional ovens, with their larger capacity and robust performance, remain essential for large families and avid bakers. Ultimately, many kitchens benefit from having both: a traditional oven for big jobs and a Breville air fryer for everyday meals and snacks. Whichever you choose, both appliances have their place in the modern kitchen, each offering unique advantages to elevate your culinary experience.